Hey, Gary here with you. Today, I want to share with you the fact that you've simply been lied to, mostly by the marketing nonsense or manipulation inside of marketing, offering you information on how to get to 100K a year. Now, there are some simple truths to 100K a year, and that's why I want to bring this brand new case study that reveals the 4 simple steps that I take to compound my sales, save time, and dominate affiliate leaderboards. Now, this sales page, if you take a look at it, is from Kevin Fahey. So that headline is the fact this is what he does in his business to make 100K a year and more. But these are the basic steps, and it's actually the truth that most people consider a secret. But I'm going to share you the secret right here inside of this case study because the goal of this video is to review the training that I'm recommending. There's a link in the description, but here are the simple secrets to 100K a year based upon this case study. Number one, you offer something of value for free to build your subscribers list. Talking about an email list. You promote affiliate offers which are relevant to what people signed up for. You create your own content and offers and sell them to your list. You send your list offers. You make offers to your list based around the content, that helpful content that is helping them solve a problem. Then you offer other affiliates a commission to sell your products. You go out and you recruit affiliates to promote your products, and you let them earn a commission while you earn the rest of it. So, for example, a 50-50 split is what's common in information products, especially in internet marketing, make money online space. Now, back to this sales letter. It is a paint by numbers formula. It is a case study. It's truly what Kevin Fahey actually does as he goes through his business, his day-to-day routine, and it's step by step. It is his formula. All right. It says here it's created for newbies because he is letting you know as a newbie, or if you're an affiliate marketer currently and you haven't reached your goals, you can watch this case study just like I do when I watch Kevin's stuff. And I take notes of what he's doing in his business, and then I add that to my business. And I figure out where the parts of his business inside of his paint by numbers formula fit inside of my business. And then I bolt those onto my business, ultimately to do as he's doing to reach that 100K and beyond inside of my business as I build this out. Now, it says here there's no tech required. That is going to depend on the simple fact of when you get inside the training, how much of the stuff you can outsource, or simply how much of the tech that you can handle, because you are going to need to be able to handle small technical details. And he does cover that in the case study, but he also reminds you that you don't have to be a tech wizard to do this because he's not a tech wizard, right? So now let's jump into the training itself. Inside of the 100K a year made simple on the home page, I'll refresh this. You can see this here is a 11. Actually, that's module 1. We'll go back to the home page here. This is the welcome video. It is 2 minutes and 46 seconds, and it breaks down what you're going to get inside of the modules. And module 1 is creating your business and productivity plan. How to monetize everything in your business is module 2. Module 3 is automate and repeat everything. Outsource as much as possible in module 4. Your first 100K a year made easy is module 5. Now, these modules are broken down into videos. They also show you exactly what you need to do. Here you can see where Kevin shows you some hard, cold facts about making 100K per year and trying to do that as an affiliate. First, creating your own product, which is what the core of 100K a year made simple is about. It's about understanding that once you decide that you're going to go for 100K a year, that you not only need to be an affiliate, but as an affiliate, if you want to take that to the next level, you need to create your own products. And then that moves into module 6, which is traffic. Again, there's a video here. It's about 11 minutes. He covers traffic. And one of the primary traffic sources that he covers is JV or joint ventures and their traffic, or affiliates, recruiting affiliates to get traffic to your offers. And these offers don't have to be complicated. They can actually be quite simple. And he covers that as well in here about how to also recruit an affiliate base that you may not be aware of or you may not be thinking of. And that's module 7, turning customers into affiliates. Then there is a calculator as well as some 100K a year made simple bonuses. I want to show you the funnel real quick here, all the products that are being sold. 100K a year made simple is on a dime sale. That means it starts at $16.95. And Kevin, I believe, has stated that this is going to be bumped up in price every hour. So you do want to get in as early as possible when this goes on sale. Here is the funnel. The front end is the 100K a year made simple case study. That's what I just showed you. Then there's Imvip Training and Coaching series. What that is and what that looks like is this right here. This is inside of my Imvip training portal because I have all of Kevin's training. I've gone through all of it. I recommend all of it. It is really good. I will say, and I'll make sure that this is clear, that Kevin has a very distinct accent from where he's from. And some people have a hard time understanding him, or his voice just doesn't resonate with people. That is part of when you do training. It's kind of like if you were ever in, school, obviously, if you were in school, or if you went to college and you had an instructor and that instructor had an accent or some type of way about them, and you just couldn't learn from them. So watch this video on the sales page and listen to Kevin's accent, his Irish accent, and listen to it and see if it is something that you can appreciate and move forward and not have any hurdles there. I just want to make you aware of that because I have had people say that to me. But inside the Imvip training, you get access to all these training courses, which one of those is IM product launching. So when you get inside of IM product launching, this is going to be 3 modules and 28 lessons. And as you can see here, the difficulty is set to medium because I don't want anything in your way, or I don't want any hurt, or I don't want any obstacles in your way of understanding. And I want to be clear in the fact that 100K a year made simple is based upon building your own products. Yes, you can start with affiliate marketing. Yes, I think everyone should start with affiliate marketing. It is my recommended way to get started. But moving forward with this type of training and really setting your mind to it and seeing what someone does that actually makes 100K a year plus, they have their own products. And that's not to say you can't do it with just affiliate marketing. But again, going back to what this is a case study from Kevin Fahey where he's showing you how he does it in his business. And again, like I said at the beginning, I want to make sure that you're clear on this part because I want you to understand that this case study is powerful in the fact that you can take the information and, just like I said, I take it and I bolt that information onto my current business. I see what fits and I look at it and I say, this is what Kevin is showing me and how he did it. Let me take that and let me implement it in my business. Let me look at the strategy and see if it makes sense for what I'm doing. All right, so you move on, and the simple fact of the funnel is there is free affiliate funnels. There's 3 different versions of free affiliate funnels. Free affiliate funnels is right here. I've done a review here on the channel about that. I'll link to that, and then I'll also show you some results that I've got. But you can see these are free funnels, meaning these are free affiliate funnels. You can basically send traffic into these funnels, and you can give away the front end for free. That's where the free affiliate funnels comes from. And then once your traffic gets inside of Kevin's funnel, he'll do all the follow-up for you. So you're 100% an affiliate. And this is part of his case study, understanding that this is a product that he uses, and this is a strategy that he's used in the past, as well as he currently uses, and he unpacks all that. And that's why that is in the funnel. And you see there's different levels of free affiliate funnels right there. And then there's IM Checklist Gold membership. Of course, the IM Checklist, I've done reviews here. You've seen those. If you haven't, I'll link them in the cards and in the description. Basically, these are PLR or private label rights content. You can take these checklists, use them as your own. These are also full-fledged training in everything that you see. Every checklist basically is a standalone training in its own right. So you can use those for your own training, as well as you have PLR rights to take those, modify them, use them to create your own products. Again, if you go back to the case study and you look here as you take over the peek, or you take a look at the screenshot, these are Kevin Fahey's products. And then you can see some testimonials here, as well as he addresses you as a frustrated marketer, which is typically the case. And then he goes into the point of the video, like I started. The point of this course and the point of this video is to understand that typically you have been lied to and told that this is going to be simple or this is going to be easy. It is simple, but it's not easy. It requires work. And that's just the cold, hard facts that you need to understand. And that's what this is about. So, this is why I'm recommending this product in the way that I am and the way I'm doing this and presenting this review on the channel. Even though I've moved my reviews over to my Real Review Z channel, where I really break down products and the strategy and the reputation of the vendor for those products. But in this case, I wanted to make sure that you understood that I'm recommending this product as a case study so you can open it up and you can watch it and you can really experience over the shoulder of what Kevin Fahey is doing to get to 100K, the way the numbers shake out, the way he plans it, and the simple fact that you are failing because you believe, or if you're failing because you believe that push button software is the answer, or you can actually click here and you're going to make money in 30 seconds, or you can become a millionaire by tomorrow without having to do any work. It's just not going to happen. All right. And the simple fact here is the affiliate marketing industry is infamous for overpromising and under delivering when it comes to products. But in this case study is just that. It's a true case study where Kevin is showing you exactly what he's doing inside of his business to get to 100K a year. And again, that looks just like this. You get inside, you see the modules here where he breaks down all the elements in each step that you have to do. Just like I started at the beginning, these are the 4 just sort of core secret steps that you need to do. And they're truly not a secret, but they're the simple steps that Kevin is going to show you inside of his business. And that is the funnel right there. Here are the products and their prices. You can take a look at these prices and see how much you're going to pay during the launch if you were to buy everything. And at that point, what I want to do is I want to remind you to click the link in the description and the pinned first comment. It will take you over to this bonus page and you can see everything that you're going to get there, to include my bonuses. If you purchase the front end, I'm going to give you affiliating prime niches. This is where you can see some prime niches that I recommend for my strategy, the top strategy inside of affiliating, and these niches that you can actually use on YouTube to generate traffic to actually start building the business as an affiliate, and then use what you're learning inside of 100K a year made simple and start creating your own products and implement what Kevin is showing you inside of his business. As well as if you purchase the front end, I'm going to give you access to my course again, but the case study, which is Copy My Niches, my 3 YouTube channels where you can see exactly what I do, why I do it, and how I do it in those 3 channels. So you could easily mirror those if any of those 3 niches in my 3 channels interest you. The next one is if you buy OTO1, which is the Imvip Training, you're going to get my course with full PLR rights as well as support from me. This has a real world value of $197. This is what it sells for. If you were to actually check the sales page and get into the product, you'll see that this is going to go over and start with, as soon as I log in, it's going to start with super simple sales pages. So I'm going to walk you through the process of actually I'm actually going to walk you through the process of setting up super simple sales pages. And I have a checklist to go along with the video, just like I do in each one of these. And you can simply pick a page builder and then you can check off each one of these as you accomplish each one of these. It will keep your progress inside of the course. And this is super simple sales pages, how to deliver your product. So if you're going to sell your product on WarriorPlus, and this is really what this case study is about because Kevin uses WarriorPlus as well, how to deliver your product, meaning how to create a membership or download areas for your product to be delivered, because we are talking about digital information products or products like PLR, private label rights products, how to set up your product in WarriorPlus, how to set up your offer in WarriorPlus, how to add the buy buttons to your sales page, how to make a JV page, some day-to-day activities you'll need to do as a vendor to check your stats and your sales, also some additional settings and features. And again, you get PLR rights with this, as well as support and coaching from me to actually set this up inside of Vendor Plus. This could technically be your first product or your product that you give away, not give away, but the product that you use to build your 100K system, your 100K a year system. You could take this product, bolt it onto the back end of a product, use this for your own coaching. If you wanted to show people how to actually use WarriorPlus, you could take this, you can make it your own. Or again, you could take it, you could bolt it on as part of your product, part of your coaching offer, just as it is right there. And those will all be delivered inside of WarriorPlus. Just click that blue button to access your affiliate bonuses. So again, if you purchase OTO1 Imvip Training, you'll get access to Vendor Plus, full PLR rights with my support. And for the front end, I'm giving you my case study to copy my niches inside of affiliating, as well as the list of prime niches that I actually update. That's an ongoing course, meaning it's a resource that grows as I find new niches, as I discover new niches that I think are prime for using the strategy inside of affiliating. I make a video, I pop that niche in there, and you can just take that niche and run with it. That is what that is about. And of course, link in the description for 100K a year made simple. And you'll get everything that you see right there. And like I said, it's a simple strategy. The secret to 100K a year system is right here. I'm not trying to hold that back from you, but if you get the case study from Kevin Fahey, it's going to open up the world the way that he sees it, the way that he does things, and you're going to be able to get to where you want to be that much faster. And of course, that is getting to 100K a year, which shakes out to around $240, $237, $238 a day. The math doesn't lie. You just have to understand and know the pieces and put them together, and understand that it takes time and effort, and of course, focus to get to that 100K a year that we're all moving towards. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments, and check out the link in the description in the pinned first comment. Pick up 100K a year made simple. Get my bonuses. I look forward to seeing you in those bonus areas, or when you get affiliating for sure inside the Facebook group over there, to answer any of your questions about what we're doing in affiliating and how we take affiliate marketing, build that foundation, and move towards 100K a year. And we do that with case studies as powerful, like the one that you're going to get access to when you click that link in the description. Check that out. I'll talk to you later. Bye.